information, the second concert drama performance consists of 39 dramas divided into 4 concert days, each with its own theme.
Today, all 9 dramas are taken from the fairy tales with the theme Tales from the Castles.
Aurora! Oh, the princess is dead of my darling Aurora! Oh no, Aurora! Aurora! Oh!
No, Your Majesty, she is only asleep.
Aurora!
Yes, Your Majesty, just like my gift from 16 years ago. Now all we can do is to wait for Prince. With a true heart, we welcome the princess.
Are you here, Prince?
Yes, I come to save you, Princess.
Oh, thank you. I have been waiting for you.
She left behind one of her glass slippers, which the prince took up most carefully. She got home, but quiet out of breath.
God!
Yes, Your Highness.
Have you seen the princess went by? No.
They said they had seen nobody go out, but a young girl, very meanly dressed, and who had more the air of a poor country wench than a gentlewoman.
Your gracious minister, I bet that door will just serve as miner's word.
Don't give me that fairy tale language, buddy. I may speak plainly.
Okay, listen, Buster. I got this daughter. Ugla, get over here. This is my daughter, the beauty in baby's form.
I love you more than anybody could love you in the whole wide world, Father.
And you, Emilia?
Oh, Father, I love you as a daughter loves her father, and I need you as a food needs salt, Father.
What? Salt?
Yes, you heard me. Salt.
Of course.
I don't think our father will like that here. And from his look, I can see that he was angry and disappointed with you.
You, Ali. 1,000 apologies, oh Peshawai. You have it, then. I had a good try to get it. Treasure. Ouch! My treasure. Trust me, my punches. You will guess what's coming to you. All this for the love of bread? There is! You won't get away so easy! You think this was easy? You two over that way and you with me will find him! Morning, ladies.
Morning, Aladdin. Getting into trouble a little is it today, aren't we, Aladdin?
Troubles? No way. You only get in trouble if you get caught. I'm in trouble! And this time. Ah! Perfect timing, Abu. Juliet! Juliet! Wake up there! Oh, good. Madam!
What?
Madam!
What? Why not this here? What is the matter?
Look over there.
Oh, me! Oh, me! My child! My only love! Help! Help! Come help!
For shame, string Juliet for her bridegroom is come.
Allah, the dead! She is dead! She is dead!
Let me see her. She's good. Her blood is settled and her joints are stiff.
Is the bread ready to go?
Ready to go, but never to return. Oh son, the right before their wedding, they had been to their wife. A cousin, unhappy, wretched, happy. Oh, beautiful day, most beautiful day. Oh, beautiful day. All things start with all the night festival, then from their office black funerals. Our wedding cheers to sad burial feast.
Switch! May I switch? Oh! Miss Switch, excuse me, Miss Switch.
Why?
I wonder you could help me. I'm a frog. What?
If you are frog, I am king of fire. Ha 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 ha.
No, I'm sorry, Miss Switch. I wonder you can help me. I am a prince. I wonder you could turn me back into a frog so I can happily ever after. Can you do it?
Easy when you know how. Sit up, straight back, face boldly up to the bloody thing, and stare the square in the eye, as you would any decent Englishman. Show who's in command.
Don't see. I can.
This devilish device will change everything if you would. In the past, all a king had to the walls look respectable in uniform and not fall off his horse. Now, we must invent people's homes and ingratiate ourselves with them. This family is reduced to those stones. Best of all creatures, we have become actors.
Papa, we are not family. We are firm.
The most successful institution in history. Our cousins were crowns throughout Europe. 1,000 of them. Sitting thrones is our business. Yet any moment, some of us may be out of food.
The red reading hood was...
I am strong. I am invincible. I am the cutest. I am...
Wait! Not again! What do you want? Who are you?
I am the Spider-Woman, protector of the weak and unfortunate. I am sure that someone here needs me.
We don't need you. Not right now. Can you please leave because I'm working?
Are you kidding me?
I am not.
Are you sure want me to leave now?
I am deadly sure.
Want me to leave now?
Oh, as I was
Are
telling
you sure want me to leave now?
please, can you leave this stage now?
Second runner-up goes to the King's Speech.
First runner-up goes to Cinderella. And finally, the winner goes to a crazy Bunny!
You are crazy. You are crazy.